Okay, students, good morning. My name is Gurpreet Singh. Welcome back to English online classes. Today I am going to describe about an advertisement in situation wanted. So, in my last video, I described about an advertisement in situation vacant, and I already told you the difference between in situation vacant and situation wanted advertisement. In situation vacant, we offer new jobs or we have a vacant seats uh, regarding receptionist, regarding teachers. When we are talking about school, if we are talking about industries or any other organization, on that time we offer jobs regarding supervisor, regarding mechanics, etc. On that time we write our advertisement in situation vacant, but in situation wanted we are describing ourselves, or we find a job, we find job through an advertisement. In situation vacant हम किसी को ऑफर करते हैं जॉब का, या जब हमें ज़रूरत होती है किसी रिसेप्शनिस्ट की, किसी टीचर की, ऑन दैट टाइम we write our advertisement in situation vacant. But in situation wanted we are describing about ourselves. Understand? On that time we write about our education, our experience, our age, to find a job, to find a appropriate job. Understand? So here I'll tell you the definition of situation wanted advertisement, and as well as I'll share with you 5 steps to drafting a situation wanted advertisement. To drafting a situation wanted advertisement. These 5 steps will help you to drafting a situation wanted advertisement. So here I have one example related to situation wanted advertisement. So first of all, what is an advertisement? So advertisement, it is a kind of public notice. It is a kind of public notice asking for or offering services or buying and selling property, goods, etc. हम एडवर्टीजमेंट क्यों लिखते हैं? या तो प्रॉपर्टी को बाय करने के लिए, सेल करने के लिए. तो एडवर्टीजमेंट का हिंदी में मतलब होता है विज्ञापन. तो हम एडवर्टीजमेंट क्यों करते हैं? जब हमें ज़रूरत होती है अपनी प्रॉपर्टी को सेल करने की, या न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स को बाय करने की, या न्यू प्रॉपर्टी को बाय करने की. ऑन दैट टाइम वी राइट एन एडवर्टीजमेंट थ्रू अ लोकल न्यूज़पेपर or a newspaper. Understand? So here I have the definition in situation wanted advertisement is, it is given by a job seeker himself or herself for publication in newspaper. तो इसमें जिसको जॉब चाहिए वो अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन किस में पब्लिश कर रहा है? एक न्यूज़पेपर में, in which he or she, जिसके अंदर he or she shows his her willingness to his her services. Understand? तो इसमें वो अपनी willingness को शो कर रहा है services के regarding. Understand? So here we find a job, or we are describing about somebody who wants a job, who wants a job, जो जॉब को चाहता है. So advertisement that you will be faced in your final exam, and it is for 4 marks. If you want to get full marks, then listen to me carefully, because now I am going to share 5 essential points related to situation wanted advertisement. So the first one is, you have to describe about qualification and experience, and in the second sentence, and the second one is age and sex, and the third one is nature of job sought. That means कि नौकरी आपको कैसी चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फुल टाइम जॉब और पार्ट टाइम जॉब, आप कैसी जॉब करना चाहते हैं. सो जॉब का नेचर ये किसी से भी रिलेट कर सकते हैं, रिलेटेड टू द फुल टाइम जॉब और अ पार्ट टाइम जॉब. एंड द फोर्थ वन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट सैलरी. And the fifth one is mailing address and contact number. You must mention your mailing address and contact number, because after that they are able to contact or send some information related to your job on your mailing address. Understand? So here I have one example related to situation wanted advertisement, and this example is related to the computer engineer. So here we will write about computer engineer. So here we will write the information regarding computer engineer. So this example is related to situation wanted advertisement, because here we do not offer a job. Here we find a job for computer engineer. Understand? So here our title is situation wanted. Okay. So firstly, keep in your mind these 3 points. The number one is do not use grammar portion more. Do not extend your advertisement. You have to write in 50 words. And the third one is you put your advertisement in a box. Understand? Okay. So here I have the example is a full-time computer engineer seeks a job. Write out a suitable advertisement for entry in the situation wanted. Entry in the situation wanted column of a local newspaper. Your answer should be within 50 words. So here they already mentioned that you have to write in 50 words. Do not extend your advertisement like 60 to 70 words or 60 to 100 words. You have to precise your sentence. Do not extend. Do not use grammar portion more like is, am, are, has, have, had, will, shall. But you have to use some phrases and strong vocabulary as well. So here our title is situation wanted. So in the first sentence I describe about experience and qualification. So I already told you when you will be writing an advertisement in situation wanted or situation like and a situation vacant, on that time in the first sentence you have to write about qualification and experience. Understand? So here I also wrote a well qualified, experienced and expert graduate computer engineer. After teaching in Canada, he had returned in India. So here we are describing about himself, because in this we are describing that he has done his graduation in computer engineer and he has also experience teaching experience in Canada. So here we are telling about he's teaching in Canada, and after he had returned in India. So he and seeks full-time and part-time job. So here we are describing about nature of job. So he wants to do part-time or full-time job. And after that he is running his own center at 10 Railway Colony, Pune. Interested person may seek his guidance and services in all computing work, payments and other benefits are negotiable. Please contact Piyush 30 Hakikat Rai Road, Delhi, or ring 12345667. Here I didn't mention about mailing address, but I mentioned about contact number. After that they will interest, then they will call him on this number. Understand? So this video is related to situation wanted advertisement. If you have any doubt regarding that, you can concern with me. Thank you so much.